Dear students, our today's topic is Heron's formula, and we will take some question for the practice in these topics. Our first question is, the perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 42 centimeter and its base is 3 by 2 times of each of the equal side. So given an isosceles triangle, ABC is an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, and this is the base, and base is 3 by 2 times of each of the equal side. So first of all, we should assume the equal side. Let the equal side be x centimeter. Then its base is 3 by 2 times of x. ये base. And here the perimeter is 42. Perimeter is 42 centimeter, it is given. And find the area and height of this triangle. So before finding the area, first of all find the sides of this triangle. The perimeter is 42 and perimeter is sum of all sides. So x plus 3 by 2x, 42 upon 1, and taking LCM is 2. Then 2x plus 3x and 42. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7x upon 2 equal to 42, and x equal to 2 into 42 upon 7, 7 into 6, 7 6 are 42 and 6 2 are 12. So the equal side be, first AB is 12 centimeter, AC 12 centimeter, and BC is 3 by 2 times of 12, 2 6 are 12, that is 18 centimeter. These are the sides. After finding the sides, we will find the area of this triangle using the Heron's formula. So here A equal to 18 centimeter, B equal to 12 centimeter, and C equal to 12 centimeter. Perimeter is 42, therefore semi-perimeter is 42 by 2, 21 centimeter. And area of triangle is square root of S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. In the square root, put the value S 21, 21 minus A 18, 21 minus 12, and 21 minus 12 again. In the next term, 21 minus 18, 3, 21 minus 12, 9, and again 9. 21 is, the factor of 21 is 3 7s are 21. Here 3 and 9 and 9. These are the pairs. So 9 into 3 into root 7. And its product is 27 root 7 centimeter square. This is the area of this triangle. Again, after finding the area of triangle is, area is 27 root 7, we will find the height of this triangle. And area of triangle is half base height. This is base and this is height. So area of triangle is half into base into height equal to 27 root 7. So half, here base is 18 and height is h. So 27 root 7, 2 9s are 18, and h equal to 27 root 7 upon 9, 9 3s are 27, and its value is 3 root 7 centimeter. This is the height of this triangle. Then move to question number 2. A triangle has sides 35 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 61 centimeter long. Find its area and smallest altitude. So first of all, find the area of triangle using the Heron's formula, and again find the altitude of this triangle. A triangle has three sides: 35 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 61 centimeter. So A equal to 35, B equal to 54 and C equal to 61. A is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Therefore 35 plus 54 plus 61 by 2. Whose sum is 5 for 1 is 10 and 1 carry 3 5 8, 8 plus 6 14 and 1 50. 150 by 2 is 75 centimeter is theirs. Again area is 75 minus 35, 75 minus 54 and 75 minus 61. Find the difference of these numbers. Here 75, its difference is 40, here 21 and here 40. Again find the prime factor of this number. 75, 3 into 5 into 5, because 25 3 is 75. 40, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 21, 3 into 7, 14, 7 into 2. And again we will make the pair. First 7, 5, 3, 2, 2. But only the 5 does not have any pair. So in the root 5. So its product is, again we will find the product of this number. Find the product of this number, and its product is 420 root 5 centimeter square. This is the area of this triangle. And again find the smallest altitude. Smallest altitude is on the longest base. And if the longest altitude is on the smallest base, these are the opposite. So here we will find the smallest altitude. The smallest altitude is lies on the longest base. This is the height. So we are finding the altitude. Area is 420 root 5 centimeter square, and find the altitude. The altitude, smallest altitude is on the longest base. So half base height equal to 420 root 5. So half, here base is 61 and height is h equal to 420 root 5, and h equal to 420 root 5 into 2 upon 61, and its product is, in this step we will put the values of root 5, and 840 into value of root 5 is 2.236 divided by 61. So we will multiply 840 into 2.236. Its product is 1878.24, and it is divided by 61. We will get 30.79 centimeter. Our question third is, if the area of an isosceles right triangle is 8 centimeter square, what is the perimeter of this triangle? So here given an isosceles right triangle and its area is, this is the isosceles right triangle. In an isosceles right triangle, two sides are equal, these sides are equal. Given a triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degree and AB and BC are equal, and its area is 8 centimeter square, and find the perimeter of this triangle. The perimeter is the sum of all sides, so we will find the all three sides. First of all, find the two sides. Here area of triangle is, we can use the half base height because the heights are given and these sides are equal, so we will assume it's x. So let the side be, let the equal side be x, and area is half into base into height is 8, so half, here base is x, height is also x, x into x, x square upon 2, and x square equal to 8 to the 16, and x square equal to 16, so x equal to root 16, and value of root 16 is 4 centimeter, and length again not be negative, so we will take the positive side, so x is 4 centimeter. So here two sides are, AB is 4 centimeter and BC is 4 centimeter. Again find the AC by using the Pythagoras property. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square by using Pythagoras property. AC square equal to 4 square plus 4 square, and AC square equal to 4 square is 16, 16 plus 16, AC square equal to 32 and AC equal to root 32, and the factor of 32 is 2 in 5 times, and we will make the pair. These are 2 into 2 root 2, that is 4 root 2. 4 root 2 is the third side, and find the perimeter of this triangle. So perimeter is the sum of all sides, AB plus BC plus CA. AB is x, BC is x, and both are equivalent to 4, so 4 plus 4, and CA is 4 root 2, and we will add 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4 root 2 centimeter is the perimeter of this triangle. We can put the values of root 2 up to the decimal, to place of decimal, and we can determine its answer in decimal. Our question 4 is, if every side of a triangle is 2 by 3 of the given side, find the percentage change in its area. एरिया में कितने परसेंट चेंज होगा वो हमें परसेंटेज फाइंड करना है. तो गिवन ए ट्राइंगल whose sides are A, B, C, and if each side is 2 by 3 of the given sides, and find the percentage change in its area. So we should compare the area and the percentage. So first of all, find the area of the given triangle. This is the given triangle and this is the reduced triangle. So let the A, B and C are the sides of given triangle. Then A is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. and its area is S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is the area of given triangle. Again, if each side is 2 by 3 of given sides, then the new sides are 2 by 3A, 2 by 3B and 2 by 3C. So semi-perimeter is, its semi-perimeter is S dash. This is the another notation, different notation here. 2 by 3A, 2 by 3B and 2 by 3C upon 2. Here 2 by 3 is common and A plus B plus C upon 2. So this is 2 by 3 S. Semi-perimeter is also S dash equal to 2 by 3 S. After that, we will find the area of the new triangle. New triangle is denoted by del dash is S dash and S dash minus A dash, S dash minus B dash and S dash minus C dash. S dash is 2 by 3S, 2 by 3S minus 2 by 3A, 2 by 3S minus 2 by 3B and 2 by 3S minus 2 by 3C. Again, taking the common, here 2 by 3 is common, 2 by 3 is common and here 2 by 3 is common. Then remaining term S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Here we will make the pair, this two pair. So 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 is out from the square root and S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is the 4 by 9 and this value is equivalent to the area of the given triangle and this is del. So 4 by 9 del is the area of new triangle. Here del is the area of given triangle and del dash is the 4 by 9 del is the area of new triangle. Then the decreased area is area of the given triangle minus area of the new triangle, del minus del dash. So del minus 4 by 9 del. Its LCM is 9 and 9 del minus 4, that is 5 by 9 del. 5 by 9 del is the decreased area. Again, percentage of decreased area. Percentage of decreased area is 5 by 9 del upon del into 100%. Del and del are cancelled and the remaining term 5 into 100 is 500 upon 9%. 500 upon 9% is the area of decreased in percentage from the given triangle to the reduced triangle.